Hello and welcome to the commodities bus. We've seen gold and silver prices gaining some support at lower levels and are trading at the upper band of the range which they have been hovering over for the last couple of months. The primary difference over the last couple of weeks has been that the sentiments for the market has now started to turn bullish once again, and the range bound move is likely to have a probably clear decisive breakout in the coming days. We've seen that the Brexit issue, which was kind of unfolding at a very rapid pace, and the deadline for which was 31st October, is now pushed to a new deadline, and we will have to wait and watch for another few months how this event is going to unfold. Similarly, trade talks between US and China have been having a very positive negative mixed bias over the last few weeks, and what looked like the first phase of trade deal being signed is now getting a little whimsical, and we will have to wait and watch until the actual document is signed, because statements coming out from both the parties looks to be a little conflicting, and so our confidence and conviction on until the deal is signed remains very disturbed. We've been maintaining a very positive bias for gold and silver prices for quite some time now, and the recent developments strengthen our view, and we continue to believe that the recent pullback in the metals, where gold is trading close to $1,515 is a good level to enter, and a clear decisive breakout about 1525 could push the metal toward 1540 and 1570 on the COMEX front. On the domestic fronts, we continue to maintain a positive stance and target 39,500 and eventually 41,000 levels for the metal in the coming few months. Similarly, for silver, until 45,000 on the lower side is breached, we continue to maintain a very strong positive bias and target 49,000 and 51,000 in the coming momentum, and eventually rallies could spread towards 55,000 levels also. On the base metal front, we believe that select metals are likely to perform, as much of the worst news has been probably built into the prices. The trade development from US China has not been very impressive, but of late we've seen some green shoots on the PMI numbers and some bit of revival in on the domestic on the demand front, which is likely to support the metal. Nickel is one metal which we continue to maintain a positive stance, where there is a huge inventory drawdown which is at 2007 lows. Cash to 3 months continues to indicate a positive picture, and demand from electric vehicle and stainless steel remains robust, which is likely to keep on adding some support to prices. Similarly, copper has been another metal where we see a bit of life coming into the metal after the recent consolidation trend. We believe that drawdown in inventory on LME as well as Shanghai and near-term supply disruption in a few mines is likely to support metals for the next few weeks to months, and we believe that any major correction is a good opportunity, targeting $6,100 or above on the LME front. That's all from the commodities bus. Thank you.